Life with a traumatic brain injury. As with almost all accidents, the accident where I got my TBI, traumatic brain injury, happened unexpectedly. Before the accident, I was a strong, healthy 15-year-old boy with expectations of living a normal, happy life. I thought that I was right with God for now and didn't really need to pay any attention to Him and save that for when I was older and on my deathbed. One of my first memories after I occurred a traumatic brain injury was when I couldn't see anything but just hear my family members around me, reminding me of how much I am loved by them and good plans for the future for me. At this point, my mind needed lots of rest, more rest than time being aware. Rest was one of the most important reasons that I was healed, aside from Jesus healing me. He worked it together for all good, for His divine purpose. Once I started emerging from the coma, therapy was started almost immediately, with the intention of kick-starting my mind and getting it out of its long-term comatose that I was in for over 4 weeks. This was good, but it was very demanding for me and my energy.